Hey, what's up everyone? Jeremiah here. I want to thank you for checking out some of my content on my channel. If you haven't done so yet, please click on that subscribe button and the bell next to it so it notifies you of any of the future content that I publish. A few things I want to talk about, and this is a few of the things I'm going to be doing in 2018, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So I'm going to be doing a lot of drone tutorials and tips. I'm going to be doing some just drone footage. I'm also going to be doing some other tips and tutorials on other electronic products and tech that come out. I'm going to be doing some video editing with LumaFusion on an iPad Pro and some green screening on it, trying to show you guys a few tips on that. I'm also going to post some stuff of just cool things I've seen or done, so that'll be in a separate playlist, so just please check out my playlist, guys. I'm going to try to separate everything because I know it's not for everyone. And my wife's going to be doing some video tutorials on a Cricut design studio for her Cricut cutting machine. She's going to be showing you how to make those designs, cut them, and put them all together, so if that's for you, please check out that playlist. If it's content you like, again, please hit the subscribe button, please click on that bell notification, and I'm hoping you guys enjoy what you see. Thanks, guys.
Please subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Hit the